Good morning from Trott HQ on this rather chilly hump day. Wednesday, January. First client of the day has just turned up with his recently acquired Scrambler 1200 XC. Don't think it's got many miles on it. He has been back to Triumph already, as within a couple of 100 miles. This headlight ring corroded really bad, as well as these hand guards and the chain cover. Luckily, Triumph, as a goodwill gesture, had replaced those for him, but he's worried about the rest of it, as he gave me a call and I did explain to him. Next thing's gonna go rusty is these spokes, and if you feel those, they are rough as could be already. Banjo bolts, all these pinch bolts. If you look at that bash plate, that's already starting to corrode. Apparently these news ones, the catalytic converter is in these end cans, so he said a lot of people were getting burned because I think they used to be here, so now they've moved them to here, and I think he's burnt a bit of something on there, so we got to get that polished off, get all this spokes degreased. They are covered. Luckily, that's probably protected it a bit. So he's going to go one of our Full Works packages that will include a whole dose of signature 4K ceramic. We will airbrush it onto every nook and cranny. Once that has cured, we're then going to apply some XCP clear coat. I mean, look, this is already starting to corrode, these banjo bolts. Yes, once that's cured, we will apply a whole dose of XCP clear coat just to give it that extra bit of protection for these winter months. This is going to be his daily commuter, so a lot of money to lay out. Wants to make sure it lasts. Anyways, let's get this washed, get it decontaminated, get all this grit and salt and stuff off, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some detailing. I'll polish up these header pipes, and then we'll get some ceramic applied to this. Wish me luck. Okay, Triumph has now been washed, and I'm just blow drying it. Just doing a bit of an inspection. We've got lots of polishing to do. This is what happens to these. See this? See how discolored all this is? Don't know why Triumph. That's gonna have to be polished or lightly sanded and then polished, but it's just bare metal, so it's gonna corrode. I don't know why Triumph doesn't do this in satin black or gloss black. Same with all these bits that he's had replaced. He's put them in black. Anyways, finish drying it, and then we're going to crack on with a bit of polishing. I will polish things like that. All these exhausts are going to get polished up. Just looking at the chain. Look, even the chain's gone rusty. It's got 1,200 miles on it. Anyways, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's start polishing, and then we'll get some heat going, and we'll start applying some ceramic. See this? Look, see how this is all discolored? Just do it black. Oh, we get the chain lube nice and hot before we stick it on the chain. We use the XCP first. That gets in all the nitty gritties, and then we put the titanium dry lube on afterwards. I said this chain is already gone rusty, so we're going to give that a good old soaking. We'll wait till that chain lube's nice and hot, get it well coated. Okay, she's all polished up all that exhaust, these little covers here, mirror polish those back up. All this frame has been polished. It was looking a little sad. Tank's had a Single stage polish on it. Now time to lay down some special sauce. We're going to do the signature 4K ceramic on all this lower half. So I'm going to airbrush it onto every nook and cranny, all down the front, all these lovely rims, spokes, calipers. Everything is going to get misted with the signature 4K ceramic. Once that's cured, we will put a second coat of XCP clear coat just to make sure it's got loads of protection on this over the next few months. This is the gentleman's daily commuter, so once that's done and cured, we got a bit of heat going. Once that's cured, we will then work our way up. We will do the tank, and I will do all these little bits here. I'll put 2 coats of ceramic on those, making sure to keep these corrosion free. Many hours later, this Triumph Scrambler 1200 XC has now been fully trotted. This has had one of our Full Works packages. As you've seen, I have done every nook and cranny of this bike, has been polished, has been coated. We use the Signature 4K Signature Pro ceramic on all the lower half, and we use the Signature Quartz on all the top half. The bodywork, look at the gloss, man. The gloss is on point. Windscreen's been coated. I've airbrushed and I've applied by hand 1-2 coats to all this lower half. All that chain's been serviced, XCP'd all your nuts and bolts, anything that I think needs that extra corrosion protection. Absolutely gleaming. Hopefully should keep the corrosion at bay. Look at this, they are bare metal, so they will be open to the elements. Hopefully that ceramic will stop any of that. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week, satisfaction guaranteed. If you're buying a new bike, get it to us, get it trotted, get it coated, give it a fighting chance with this English weather. Give us a call, 07966 249 963.